Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mohammad Arif Tunyo, 2K17 LC50. Today is my presentation Artificial Intelligence. Outline Introduction of Artificial Intelligence History, Human Robots, Human Sides of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial Intelligence applications in uses in word, advantage and disadvantages. Human and cooperations increase. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machine. The ability to solve problem means problem is solved. Number second, the ability to rationality. Number third, the ability to educate the humans. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. The capacity to learn and solve problems. The capacity to learn means learn and solve problems. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machine. Simulation of human intelligence by machine means human intelligence. Number one, the ability to solve problems. The ability to solve problems means problems create. Number second, the ability to acquire rationality. Number third, the ability to acquire in like humans. The central principles of artificial intelligence includes. The central principles of artificial intelligence include. Number first, reasoning, knowledge, planning, learning and communications. Means knowledge, plannings. Artificial intelligence means planning, learning and communications. Number second, preparations and the ability to move. Ability to move and manipulates objects. Number third, it is the science and the engineers of making intelligent. Number third, it is the science and engineer of making intelligent. Science engineers and making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programming. Means intelligent computer programming. History of artificial intelligence. 1950 में artificial intelligence, 1955, 1974, 1990, 1980, 2000. Artificial robots and artificial intelligence. A robot is a machinery, a virtual artificial agent, usually in electro machine that is the guided a computer program or electronic current. Means virtual agent means agent usually to electro means picture artificial intelligence through असां पिक ॾिनल आहे हिन में रोबोट उन में to about create a robot. Robots can be automatic. Robots can be auto means or semi auto comes. Number third, a robot may cover a sense of intelligence, a thoughts of its own. A robot create intelligence. A robot create intelligence in human inside. A robot means thoughts in artificial intelligence. A robot created thoughts in artificial intelligence. Next slide. Humanoid robot and artificial intelligence. Sophia is a social human robot developed by Hong Kong. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong based company Human Robotics. Developed by Hong Kong company based robot create. Sophia was activated on April 1900, 2015. सोफिया क्रिएटेड 19 अप्रैल 2015 में. She made her first public appearance at South by Southeast Festival in mid-March 2016 in United States. साउथ एस्ट फेस्टिवल में मार्च 2016 in United States. In October 2017, Sofyan became a Saudi Arabian citizen. 2017, Sofia, Saudi Arabian citizen, the first robot to receive. Saudi Arabia, the first robot to receive citizenship in any country, in her country. Application of artificial intelligence. Application of artificial intelligence in a medicine. Medical clinic can use artificial intelligence system. Medical clinic can use artificial intelligence system organize. Medical clinic can use robot because thoughts in clinic and schedules make rotation and provide medical information and create robot. Number second, it has also applications. It has also applications in fields of cardiology, CRG, neurology, MRI, embryology, sonography, complex operations of internal organs, etc. Robot create fields neurology, embryology, complex creations in hospital clinics, in malls, in countries. It has also an applications in image guide, survey and image analysis in a environment. It also has an application in image. It has also an application in image guide in survey and image. Means in survey in an image because analyze in environment, because in robot through robot because analysis in image. Application of artificial intelligence in music. Scientists are trying to make the computer implement the activities of the skillful musician. Artificial intelligence because scientists are trying to make the computer interior the activities of the skillful musician. Number second, composition performance. Music theory, second process are some of the major areas. Means major areas in which research in music and artificial intelligence are facing on. Means artificial intelligence facing on example checks smarting etc. Applications. Application of artificial intelligence in telecommunications. Many telecommunications companies make use of historical search. Many telecommunications companies make use of historical search in the management of their workforce. Means artificial workforce in management. In second, for example, BT group has developed. Means BT has group developed means historic search and as scheduling. Means scheduling and applications that provides the work schedules of 2000 engineers. For example, BT group has developed for historical search in scheduling. Means schedule because application that provides the work Work means because work schedule of 2000 engineers. Applications of artificial intelligence in gaming. In the early days, gaming technology was not beforehand. In the early days, gaming technology was not beforehand. Physically, while created the first video game in 1958. Physically, while created the first video game in 1958 में. It was called terms for two and was holoscope. It was called terms for two and was holoscope. But now artificial intelligence technology has become vast and started has also been increased. For example, Sadko Fear etc. Artificial applications of artificial intelligence in banking. Organize operations, invest in stock and manage and in properties. In organize operations, invest in stock means stock and manage properties. In August 2001, robots. In August 2001. In August 2001, robots beat human in a simulated financial competitions. Some other applications include loan investigations, ATMs, design, safe and fast banking etc. Means some after applications because ATM design, safe and fast banking etc. Artificial intelligence by the chances on robot ATM banking side, university, malls and through overall world and robot through goal formulations. It is the first and simplest step in a problem solving. It organizes the steps sequence required to formulate in one goal. Means solving organize the steps step by step sequence requirement to formulate one goal out of multiple goals. Means other goals as well as actions to achieve the goal. Goal formulation is based on the current situations and the agent's performance. Means one agent and two agents performance measures discount below. Number second, problem formulations. It is the most important step. It is the most important step of problem solving, which decides what actions should be taken to achieve the formulated goal. There are following five compounds. There are five compounds involved in problem formulations. Number one, intel stage. It is the starting or intel step of agent towards to the goal. Number second, actions. It is the description to the possible action available to the agent. Means one agent and two agents step by step, because one agent thought and second agent thought. Number third, transaction model. It describes to each action do. Number four, goal test. It determine if the state is the goal state. Act like human. Act like a human comes up now firmly when all prayers have to interest with people. Means interested people is when when an expert system explains how it come to it diagnose, or a natural language processing system has a dialogues with users, means thoughts and achieve. In human thoughts and achieve artificial intelligence. Artificats many act think the humans are act think ritually the acts choose the deviant because humans do not always act or think ritually, and all system that should act think like a human should make a human like mistakes, means artificial human and robot thoughts, mates thoughts or robots thoughts, and the other hand and artificial system that acts and thinks rationally should make the most rationality or intelligence curious at every regards of what human would typically do in the same situations. The actions of the text box decide that acting rationally in the most important formula of artificial intelligence. They decide on artificial intelligence is a system that responds to the environment in changing and within the most rationally maneuver to the achieve goal. Advantage artificial intelligence. The chance of error is almost nil. The chance of error is almost nil. Number second, it can be used to explore space depth of the ocean. Number third, smartphones are the best example of artificial intelligence. Smartphones are the best example of artificial intelligence. Number four, it can be used in time concerned task efficiently, means time concerted efficiently. Number five, machine do not require sleep break and are able to function without stopping, means selects two options, solving problems. One people achieve goal. The human side of artificial intelligence. Human and artificial cooperations increase. Human and artificial intelligence cooperation increase. Human and artificial intelligence. Man and robot, because human and artificial cooperation increase. One more and more us will get used to the ideas of working analysis of the powers tools and our day-to-day working lives. Interestingly, it will but that the allow is to make a most of our human skills, means human skills, those which artificial intelligence can connect quite manage yet, such as design strongly communications and analysis feed by dreams that we applied to real time, means real time human and artificial intelligence through, because means for many of us this will mean learning new skills, means new skills or is least new ways, new skills or at least new ways to use our skills, analyzes these new robots and software based tools, because based tools, this artificial intelligence projects that by 2025 75% of organization will be investing, means investing companies in 75 investing in employees reorganize in order to full caused in the point to the point by the need to adopt artificial intelligence. This is the trend will because increasingly appearing thoughts 2020 to the point where of your employer. So artificial intelligence and training it made to the worth considered how well placed and they are got our coming years, means new coming years artificial intelligence most important. Artificial intelligence most important means robot human sides and robots, because robot created analysis robot in the hospital universities malls clinic, means robot it will become ever more present in a cycle separation. In social engineer attacks become our more sufficient, means more engineer sufficient and implies present by artificial intelligence and advantage prevalent algorithms. The BI, the robot 5G and other super fast viewers communications, day by day communication, artificial intelligence and technology will bring huge opportunities for business to provide services in new and important ways, but they will also prudently open us to more sufficiently to recover, and suffering on a community will become continue to increase, and those with related skills will highly sought as in the system. Means artificial intelligence created in new coming years interested in artificial intelligence. Next my slide, Mohammad Arif Tanyo. Thank you so much. Watch for my video.